Hey guys, remember that hummingbird feeder in my garden, my wildflower tour, and it had a little bug in it? Well, we got a new feeder for the little hummingbirds. Here, now I'm going to come over here very slowly. What's on the stump? Okay, well tell me if you see anybody else there. I'm coming in here very carefully. Whoops. There. Now we're going to zoom in on this bird feeder and see if we can catch, because the yellow-bellied, red-headed sapsucker has the couple have babies nearby, and they have been coming back and forth to feed them. I'm sorry, but you know, when you're bird watching, you have to be patient. So while we're being patient, I'm going, wow, I don't know what I was supposed to do. Oh, yes, I have a guest star here that's going to help me out a little bit.
Yeah, the first commandment is, I am Yahuwah, your Elohim, have no other before my face. You do not bow to images. You do not cast the name of Yahuwah, your Elohim, to ruin. Remember Shabbat, to keep it set apart. Honor your father and your mother. You do not murder. You do not kill. That's what that means. You do not break wedlock. he's You do not break wedlock. That's the seventh one. And number 8 is you do not steal. Number 9, you do not bear a malicious witness against your neighbor. Number 10, you do not covet your neighbor's wife, house, field, servants, animals, or anything that belongs to your neighbor. Love one another as I love you. Love one another. And that includes the animals. Be kind.
Okay, we've seen a lot of birds, but thank you, honey. But the woodpecker did not come back, so I'm going to let you go with those instructions in mind. Shalom.